Smart collaboration is all about organizations considering their needs and the problems that they want to solve when they go out and they buy technology. Too often, IT organizations are simply looked at as an IT line item or a cost item on the balance sheet rather than a strategic player in the boardroom or in the C-suite. And when you look at IT and the services that they provide as invaluable to the organization, then you miss the whole point, and then collaboration services don't actually enable the business to make better decisions faster and contribute to the revenue. Companies really need to look at collaboration as the true driver to their business rather than something else that is just within their toolbox. New technology is one of the most important drivers in the way that businesses collaborate. But at the same time, oftentimes companies get blinded by the shiny new things or the new sexy releases that companies bring to the table, rather than looking at the utility or the value that those technologies provide. Do these new technologies actually help solve the problem? Do these new technologies actually drive the business and make the business better at what it needs to do? Fundamentally, organizations need to take a little bit of a step back and think about what these technologies can do and how they can enable their business to be better, to be faster, and to help drive themselves forward. User adoption is the most important factor. Rolling out a technology can be expensive, can be time-consuming, and can consume a tremendous amount of resources within an organization. And if your users don't leverage it, don't use it in their daily business, then it's all for naught, and there is no value that that provides. So fundamentally, when a company employs some new technology, it needs to be focused on the user. How does this help the user achieve more? How does this help the user do their job better? And enabling the user, it has to be the focus and the only thing that is really important. The most important obstacle that a number of organizations face when rolling out new products and new services is enabling the user and then making that user achieve their job in a more simplistic and more rapid manner. For example, one of the key aspects of collaboration resources is this concept of interoperability. When I pick up my telephone, I don't worry about what the other side is using, if they're using an iPhone or an Android or a Windows device. I simply dial their phone number and it just works. The technology figures it out. And if video-focused collaboration or collaboration in general is not that simple and is not that utilitarian, then it just won't work and users won't use it.